Este momento obi bonita porque nos da a oportunidade de criar fondo na nombre, fonds op na, de Pelba Rasmussen Enriquez, que é persona que pa hobby haya, também hobby dedicação, e hobby interesse de estimular arte contemporâneo de Aruba. É colecionista para décadas de arte local e agora aqui tem honor na sua história, del honor na sua interesse de estimular arte local, e família de belgas, Johanbers, casar, e seu nieto Max, é presente, pero Julia também que tem uma moeda, a decidir que nós também criar fondo, que também premio anual, para estimular artista excepcional emergente de tereno de arte contemporâneo na Aruba.
We have a strong connection to Aruba. My mother, Falva Rasmussen Henriquez, was born on the island and part of the larger Henriquez family, and De Beer and various other families here on the island. And one of the important parts that my mother really wanted was for our kids and our family to remain connected to Aruba. My mother had a deep, deep love of the arts and artists and helping them have realized their potential and be able to explore their creativity. And over the course of her lifetime, she made significant investments in artists as well as organizations that supported the arts. Being from Minneapolis, my mother sat on the board of the Walker Arts Center, which is a world-renowned art center based in Minneapolis, as well as the Minnesota Orchestra, another world-renowned organization focused on music. And that really instilled in me over the course of time this philosophy of giving back and supporting the community. Being connected to the community, I believe, I have received a lot of benefits, and it is my responsibility, or I feel like it is my family's responsibility, to continue in that tradition of giving back and supporting the broader community here in Aruba. So we're very honored to be able to honor my mother, as well as continue the deep connection in supporting local and emerging artists.